If you're looking for a projector that delivers top-tier performance for both home theaters and professional environments, the Panasonic PT-FRQ60 is designed to impress. Right out of the box, this projector feels built for serious use, robust, reliable, and precise. The PT-FRQ60 features 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels, ensuring every detail is sharp and clear. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or presenting high-resolution slides, the images are crisp and natural. DLP technology contributes to smooth motion handling and excellent color accuracy, making visuals pop without feeling oversaturated. With a maximum brightness of 6,000 lumens, this projector can fill large rooms with bright and vivid images, even in spaces with some ambient light. A 20:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and strong highlights, ensuring high-detail scenes in films and presentations remain sharp. The colors are vibrant but realistic, which makes this projector ideal for cinematic experiences as well as professional content. Installation options are highly versatile. You can mount it on the ceiling, place it on a table, or use rear projection, offering flexibility for different spaces. Lens shift and zoom features allow for precise image alignment without complicated repositioning, which is perfect for homes, classrooms, or corporate settings. One of the standout benefits is longevity. The PT-FRQ60 has a lamp life of up to 20,000 hours in normal mode and 24,000 hours in economy mode. That's years of consistent use without the hassle of frequent lamp changes, making it an excellent choice for commercial applications. Connectivity is comprehensive, including multiple HDMI ports, USB inputs, and other standard options. You can connect laptops, media players, and other devices easily, and the projector maintains smooth processing for fast-moving visuals, whether it's a sporting event or action movie. The build quality is solid and professional, with a sleek black design that fits seamlessly into any environment. While audio isn't the primary focus, pairing it with external speakers results in an immersive experience. The PT-FRQ60 is all about image quality, and it delivers that exceptionally well. Its 4K enhancement technology, which uses pixel shifting to maximize detail, ensures that small text, charts, or intricate graphics remain clear and readable. Even detailed visuals benefit from the enhanced sharpness, making it suitable for classrooms, offices, and high-end home theater setups. Maintenance is simple. Accessible filters and easy lamp replacement reduce downtime, while smart cooling keeps the unit quiet during extended use. For anyone using it professionally, these features make operation smooth and worry-free. Overall, the Panasonic PT-FRQ60 stands out as a premium projector for those who demand reliability, versatility, and high-quality visuals. Whether you're creating a home cinema, equipping a conference room, or teaching in a classroom, this projector delivers exceptional brightness, clarity, and longevity. For anyone seeking a projector that combines powerful performance with durable design, the PT-FRQ60 is a solid investment. For current pricing, deals, and free shipping, check the link in the description to bring this high-end projector home today.